Once again, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am. And third time.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning once again, ma'am.
Ma'am, did you got the comprehension pages?
Yes, Mr. Shesh, I got them. Yes.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
मैम प्रत्यक्ष के माइक से आवाज आ रही है.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, everybody, good morning. I was waiting for all to join the class. Yes. Now, what did we do yesterday? What did we do yesterday, children?
A formal letter.
Formal letter.
Formal letter writing.
Writing the exam on a later date.
Yes, for writing exam on a later date. Yes, and you all had written, you all had sent also. And those who had not sent, I cannot do anything about you. It is up to you. It is your choice whether to do it and send the work to teacher or just sit idle in the class and waste time. It is all about your choice, right? Yes? I can't come to your home and force you to do the work and send me the work. Can I do that? No, I can't do that. I can only force you in school. Submit your work. Yes. Yes.
My formal letter is completed. Can I send?
Formal letter.
My formal letter is completed. Can I send? My formal letter is complete. Can I send?
Okay, send it now. Now, the next thing that we'll be doing is, I have done it in 4th A. Okay, for that, children, I'll take individual classes and then do. Right now, what you'll do, I'm giving you another topic for formal letter. Is that fine? Be ready to write a formal letter. Again, take out your copies, write down today's date.
Sorry, ma'am, I'm late. Please tell me what we are doing.
Beta, we are doing English creative writing. I'm giving you a topic of formal letter.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Everybody, please mute yourself.
Mom, can you give the topic of an important wedding?
Okay, listen to me, everyone. I have muted all of you, first of all. Whatever you want to ask me, you will type in the chat box. Secondly, the topic goes, the heading of the formal letter goes, write a letter to your father inviting him for your school's annual function where you will be hosting the function. Okay? The annual function will be hosted by you. Like you'll be the anchor, you'll be standing on the podium and you will have the mic in your hand. What is hosting? Hosting means, what is hosting? It means that you will be leading the function and telling, like you've seen annual functions and programs taking place in schools. So the one who introduces everything, that today we welcome you all to the annual function. Let's have so and so class, so and so team to give so and so performance before you. This is what the anchor does. Yes or no? Show me a thumbs up. So you have to be the anchor. You are the host of that annual function, and your father stays somewhere out. He doesn't stay with you. So you are sending him an invitation letter. You are writing a letter to him, inviting him for your school's annual function. Okay, now I'm writing it in the screen. I'll share a screen with you and write it there. I can see many hands raised up. Okay, let's start with Yashmit. Beta, what is your question?
Ma'am, this could be an formal letter then.
Yes, this will be a formal letter.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other question anyone has? Alankrita, what is your question?
Ma'am, please send the question in the chat box.
I will do that. Next, anyone?
And ma'am, which address we will be writing?
The address where you stay. Yes?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, but Rashmi ma'am told that CBSE has changed the course, and ma'am, it's like we have to write the receiver's address.
The
in that.
receiver's address?
Yes, ma'am. Rashmi ma'am told us in offline classes that we have to write receiver's address in the place of our
Beta, the
address.
format of formal letter, what is the format? Has she shared the format with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
It is always the sender's address on the left-hand side.
Ma'am, Rashmi ma'am told that something CBSE has changed the format and something she told me.
Okay, has she shared?
Ma'am, ma'am, every letter she has made us wrote, she has made us wrote like in that way only with the receiver's address.
Like ma'am, yesterday we write the principal's address, the school
Yes.
address.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta. Say.
ma'am, but in the form. Ma'am, but how we will write it seems to be an informal letter.
It seems to be an informal letter.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then do one
Because
thing.
ma'am, I have sent you something in the chat box.
The formal letter.
Organization, newspaper editors and authorities.
Beta, I have taken it out from this thing only, from a book under the heading formal letter. Please, Ahmad, just stop sending messages personally to any student of the class. I'll remove you from the class. Don't disturb the class and don't distract me and other students who are actually interested in taking the class. And I don't want any such messages. Beta, you can put him in block list if he's doing so. Don't disturb the class. Beta, I have sent it from the heading formal letters only. See, if there is any confusion, we'll just look into the matter. Yes, Sarthak, say what is your concern?
Ma'am, I'm saying that Rashmi ma'am has told us to write the format of the formal letter, so I have written it. Ma'am, it is there. And ma'am, it is written first date and ma'am second receiver's address.
Recipient's address, address of the person whom you're writing the letter. One of the formats, in one of the formats of letter writing, on the left hand side, we have the receiver's address, and on the right hand side, we have the sender's address. Is this what she has shared with you?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am, she has only made us write the receiver's address.
Recipient's address.
And ma'am,
see,
Can I
like
share the
for example, yesterday, Yesterday, now, what was the topic of the letter that we wrote yesterday?
Ma'am, write a letter
write
to
the
your
exam on a
principal
later
Ma'am,
date.
write
Yes. So in
on a
that
later
case,
date.
which address you gave principal the school address, right? On the left hand side. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yours address. Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
You will give this only. Now you will be, what you will be doing? You will be giving your father's address.
Ma'am,
दिख जाओगे इसमें दिख
Yes.
जाओगे इसमें उधर से मेरे अरे वहां तक नहीं वहां आ जाओ
Beta, mute yourself.
Ma'am, please share the question.
Wait, beta.
Ma'am,
Yashmit, what are you wanting to say?
ma'am, I'm saying that. So, ma'am, what address we will write if we will write our father address?
Yes, you will write your father's address. Make it any address, beta, where he is according to you. He doesn't stay with you. He stays somewhere outside your hometown. So you can make it any address. Yes, Sarthak.
Ma'am, I'm saying that. Ma'am, can I write any city's address?
Yes, you can write any city's address.
Bareilly.
Why?
Like
Bareilly? Right. Make it Lucknow, make it Agra, make it Jaipur, make it Delhi, Pune, Mumbai, anywhere. Okay.
And
Yes.
ma'am,
Okay, one more thing. Now, if this, write a letter to your father. If with this, you think that it is becoming an informal address, what we can do is write a letter to your senior retired teacher. Let's make it a senior retired teacher. Yes? In that case, it is going to be a formal letter.
Ma'am, what is senior retired teacher?
Retired is the teacher whose work tenure has been completed. And after a certain age, you get retirement from your workplace. Be quiet. Just a minute, children. I'm getting a phone call from school. Yes. So what do you mean by retired? Have you understood? After a certain age or a service of, if you provide your service for a particular number of years, you get retirement from your organization. Is that fine? So a senior teacher who has been retired, now you are writing this letter to her or to him. In that case, it will be a formal letter. Yes or no?
yes,
So let's do it that way.
yes,
Write
ma'am.
a letter to your,
Ma'am, you can write to your two times.
क्या बताना है उसमें?
beta,
Subject में क्या लिखें?
what is it? It is an invitation, no? You're giving an invitation. So what will come in the subject? Invitation
Ma'am,
for,
invitation for annual day function.
yes. Invitation for annual day function. Write a letter to your senior retired. Now no one will speak unnecessary.
Ma'am, what address we will write of the receiver?
Yes. So write any address where your retired teacher stays now. Yes, maybe she stays in the same town, or maybe he or she stays somewhere outside your hometown.
Can we write Bari?
You can
Can
write.
we write Bari? Ma'am, but which name we can write?
Beta, you can write any name, any name. It is
Ma'am,
your.
I know the name.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I'm getting confused in the address. So I have to write the receiver's address.
Yes, you will write receiver's address.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, like I have a teacher who lives in Kerala. So first I will write the city of Kerala. Then I will
Yes.
write Kerala.
Ma'am, can we also write the teacher which was in our last first or second class?
What?
Ma'am, can we also write the name of the teacher which we can say that
Yes. Yes, you can
he
write.
was the
Ma'am,
second of
Yes.
ma'am, I am saying we will write the ma'am, which address we have to write by own.
Yes, you have to write the address of your teacher on your own. You have to write your teacher's address to whom this letter is being written.
Any address we have to write.
Yes, any address.
Ma'am, can we write out of India also?
Yes, beta, you can write.
Ma'am, after him or her, which is written, ma'am, I can't understand what we have to do.
After what you can't understand?
Ma'am, after him, her.
For your school annual day function, where you will be the host of the function.
So I can't understand that line. What we have.
Beta, you will be hosting the annual function of your school, for which you are inviting your teacher. You will be the anchor.
Ma'am, can you tell me the name?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can
Yes.
we write the ma'am, can we write Ravindra ma'am?
Beta, you can write. Why are you asking these silly questions? Didn't I say you can write any name? I think you people do it on purpose.
ma'am, I'm asking that. Ma'am,
Yes, go on speaking.
I'm saying that, ma'am, can we write like this? I'm inviting you for the annual day function to show that how you teach me, and is it correct way I am doing.
No, this is not the correct way. This is not the correct way, beta.
Ma'am, when
Ma'am
I will
means
write,
ma'am means I want to say that can I write like this? That I want
Ma'am,
to
we will
show
write-
you how you us teached me, and then how I am doing it.
Beta, see, the annual function of your school, do you think it will be based on any teacher, that how she taught you? It can't be based on any teachers teaching. Now you are just trying to extend a little respect and giving honor to her by inviting her. That's it. Just because you are hosting, you have been capable under her guidance. You have been so able under her guidance that you are being happy to show how nicely you will be conducting and hosting the function. Yes, this is why you are inviting her. And then when you come, then you speak 2 words of praise for her. Yes, making her feel even more welcome and honored.
Excuse me,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
think we will
One
write
by
this question
one,
also
one by one. Just one child should talk. Yes.
I'm saying we will write this question also. You can write on screen.
Beta, of course, you will write the question. Na? Question लिखे बिना कैसे लिखना शुरू करोगे?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, first we write date, the teacher, and Lucknow, and we write subject.
Yes. You will write her address and then you will write the date also when you are writing the letter.
Yes, ma'am. I am writing.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Varshita.
excuse me,
Ma'am, can we write dear teacher because she's retired? So can we write dear teacher?
Respected would be more appropriate.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Akshaj.
Ma'am, what? I don't speak anything.
Who was raising hand?
I was saying,
Say Pratyaksh. Yes, Pratyaksh was raising hand. Yes.
ma'am, I'm saying that what can we write in the subject?
Invitation for annual day function. Yes, next. Who is asking what? Anika, you want to ask something?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now start writing, everyone.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the yesterday, no, ma'am. Yesterday, sorry, ma'am. Tomorrow there will be no class. Ma'am, in our next class, can you give us the topic of an important wedding?
Important wedding. So you want to do this diary entry?
No, ma'am. I like a letter to the principal asking him for a leave to attend an important marriage.
Acha, you want to do this topic. In which class?
Ma'am, in our class only.
Do I have another class with you today? No, I don't have
No,
any.
ma'am. In our next class.
Okay, whenever
Not
we have a class next. Okay, we'll see to it, beta. We'll see to it.
Ma'am, on Monday.
Monday?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta, we'll see to it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you tell me some starting line of the body?
Wait. See how you'll be writing after the subject, respected ma'am or sir, whatever you want to write, then you'll be writing, I am writing this letter to inform you that my school is conducting an annual function, like that. Okay, this is what the beginning is going to be.
Number Rashmi ma'am have said that we have to start with due respect or honorable. Sorry, ma'am, not honorable. With due respect.
Yes,
Most
write it like that.
Okay.
Ma'am, most respectfully, I want to state when then we start.
Yes, very good. You will start like that.
Ma'am, in address we have to write the city's name and the number.
Yes, Peter, you have to write it.
Okay.
Ma'am, if we
Ma'am, please
are
tell the
writing,
starting.
if we are writing a letter to us, we have to write like this, Mr. Anurag, like Mr. Anuj sir.
No, beta, no, Mr. You will write respected sir. You will not even write the name.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, please tell the starting.
So, ma'am, we will write respected sir.
Yes, respected sir or madam. And then, with due respect,
Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
after writing my name, should I write the class and the roll number also?
No, no, no. Just you can only
Okay.
mention your class, but don't mention the roll number.
Okay.
Ma'am, how to mention the
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, how to mention the time? Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am.
ma'am, what is the spelling of conduct?
CONDUCT. Yes, Sarthak, say what you want to ask.
Ma'am, I am saying that what we say in English. मैम टाइम निकाल के आने को हम इंग्लिश में कैसे कहेंगे?
टाइम निकाल के आने को कहेंगे valuable time. Please take some time out from your precious or valuable time.
मैम मुझे सेक्शन लिखना है या जरूरत नहीं है?
No need, beta, no need.
ओके
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in this, ma'am, it is written like senior retired teacher. So, ma'am, I can understand why it is written senior in this.
Because your teacher has been retired, because of her seniority, she has become of a good age and she has been retired from the school, and you still want her to attend the school function.
Ma'am, so I know one senior retired teacher from my previous school. So, can I write her name?
Now, beta, tell me, what if I say no, you can't write her name? Then what will you do? Initially, only in the beginning, only I said you can write any name, any teacher's name. How many times you want me to repeat such things? Just tell me this. Why do you bother the teacher so much? I don't understand. Unnecessarily.
Ma'am, what you said now, please take
Ma'am,
some
done.
I from.
Excuse me,
What
ma'am.
wait, what Aksharj?
Ma'am, what you said now, please take some please
Take
take
out,
some time out.
please take out some time
Take
from your valuable time, from your valuable routine.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, after doing, we have to send on group.
Yes, you have to send on the class group.
Ma'am, I have done. Please check.
Ma'am, what is the
Varshita, beta, where is the address? I can't see the address anywhere.
Ma'am, please tell, is my answer, is my
Ma'am,
spelling correct or not?
ma'am, I
Ma'am, ma'am, excuse me.
Beta, what?
Ma'am, is my spelling correct or not of routine? Ma'am, I am telling ROTIEN routine. Ma'am, is it correct?
ROUTINE. ROUTINE. Routine.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you tell the spelling of respected?
RESPECTED. Respected. And Varshita, beta, it is not respective. It is respected. Okay.
okay,
I'm sent it.
ma'am, I wrote the address about the name.
Agrawal.
No, Varshita, beta, I don't really think that the letter that you have written, it should be written this way. You need to be a little formal in your language, right? I'll tell you how. Just wait.
Ma'am, there will be 12 in sincerely. There will be 12.
2L. No, just one L.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, when you invite your teacher, I would be very pleased if you come to attend the annual function of my school. You take out little time from your precious routine. Yes, words like this. And then in the end, it will be really overwhelming for all your old students and your old colleagues to see you. Will be overwhelmed to have you in our school or in the school for this special occasion, as I have become so able because I have become so capable because of your able guidance. A few words of her praise in the letter, in the invitation. Yes, something should be added. It should not be like very flat and straightforward. There's an annual function, so please come. I want you to come as I'll be the host. No, a little words of appreciation for her, and that how happy, how glad you all will be to have her in the annual function. Okay?
Ma'am, can we write requesting for the annual day to
Yes, yes.
attend?
I request you. Yes, very nice. I request you to be a part of it. And I request you to grace the function with your presence.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am write the
Ma'am, it
formal
was a very,
letter.
ma'am, it was a very easy topic, so we can do it very fast. And ma'am, I have also sent it.
Very nice. I'll check. Yes, Anmol, what
Ma'am,
are
I
you
am
saying, beta?
Ma'am, I am saying that I am also sent.
Very good, very good. Wait.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, should I erase and write it again?
Yes, beta, yes. Because I know you can write it very nicely. And Shobit, beta, with due regards, I Shobit Gupta. Not I am Shobit Gupta. You are Shobit Gupta with due regards? No. With due regards, comma, I Shobit Gupta invite you. Okay?
Ma'am, what is the spelling of director?
D-I-R-E-C-T-O-R. Director.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
And what have you written, Shobit? I am Shobit Gupta today. Ma'am, what is this? Ma'am, I am, okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have sent in WhatsApp group, 4th B.
Okay, beta, I'll check it. Now, since there is no time left, you'll have to give me some time to check it. Okay? Yes?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I'm writing it again. So can I send you next time when there is your
beta.
class?
Yes. Now, next time on Monday, we are going to discuss it. Okay? 4th C and 4th A, whenever we have our class next, we are going to discuss it. I think tomorrow only I have a class with 4th B. Yes.
Mama sent my answer.
Okay, beta. Okay.
Ma'am, will